You know what? If I ever meet a sea turtle, I'll ask him. After I'm done talking to the shark, okay?
You'll feel better after you eat with your family.
It's a short honeymoon.
I guess we're gonna have to have one in the capital. After we take it.
Gather round.
Bit peaky, but I'm afraid dinner will have to wait until after the meeting's finished.
You know, after you go home and your life gets back to normal, you're always welcome here.
After you lose, no one will remember you.
Maybe. After I kill Victor, I'm coming for you.
How do I know you won't let me fall after you grab the rope?
After he leaves, we'll go out and switch the DVDs so that they're all in the wrong box.
After they give the owner 7 days to reclaim him, if he decides not to take it, this dog will be put up for adoption.
After all, he's going to have to do something after he leaves office.
After he agrees, we'll show him we fooled him already.
After I don't kill you, you'll show up again.
After I find him, I'll come and join you.
But after I get me a couple of more dealerships, I will be king of the South, who will need his queen.
Carmine will go to jail after he delivers us congressmen soon to be felons.
Hey! You get it back after I figure out what you and your mother have got us into.
When can you meet?
How about Friday night after I get off work?
I know that after I tell you this, you're gonna have me terminated, but whatever.
I'll be delighted to let you have him after he testifies tomorrow.
I'm gonna find that account number tomorrow after he leaves.
I'm gonna tell you that after I win, I'm gonna start making good money.
I will try to use the money you sent for some good after I get some help for myself.
There will be no settlement after I leave this office.
Well, after he leaves, we'll talk.
Well, I hope you still feel that way after I tell you what I'm going to tell you.
Well, I'll deal with that after I deal with Phil.
Well, that's the first thing every woman in town will be saying after she sees it.
What are you going to do after she gives birth?
Where are you two planning on moving after you get married?
You think they'll vouch for you after I find out the truth about this ring?